Hello guys, welcome back to the channel everyone, and welcome to my new video in which I am going to do the unboxing of the Mi A2 and also give you the hands-on of the new Mi A2. So let's get started. Here is the retail box of the Xiaomi Mi A2, and the back of the box price quoting given is 17,499, but it is available at 17,000 rupees on Amazon. And at the back of the site 20 megapixel selfie camera is given, and 12 plus 20 megapixel rear camera with some powered by Snapdragon 660 chipset, and it is made in India. And inside the box charging adapter and the Type-C cable is provided, and the aux dongle because aux port is not available. In the front sticker also some details are given of the camera and the processor, and it is powered by the Android One, which is directly based via Google. Talking about the build quality, it is metallic back is given as of the Xiaomi flagships, and it is very sleek and slim in design, which looks very classy when in hand feel. Now talking about the screen quality, 5.99-inch Full HD display is provided, which is the full view display of 18:9 aspect ratio, which is modernized, and it is easily visible in the direct sunlight, as you can see in the video. With the good screen quality, for the power pack performance, you are getting a 3010 mAh of battery, which is giving a good battery life of single day usage if you are a heavy user, and for the normal user you can get a 1.5 day for usage. Now coming to the storage, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory is provided, in which 15.26 GB of storage is used. Now coming to the camera app, typical Xiaomi camera is provided with the Android One program. Here the rear camera is of 12 plus 20 megapixel combination shooter, which is having the Sony IMX486 and 376 lens of 1.75 aperture, which is proved very good for the low light photography. In the camera app, as you can see, many manual modes are provided with the portrait mode and the panorama shot, in which you can get very good photos also. As you can see in the photo, very crisp edges of grass are visible, which is good reproduced color by the Xiaomi Mi A2 camera. Now let's test the portrait mode. In the portrait mode also, as you can see, I have selected the object, that is the tree, and the background blur is also very good, as you can see in the live sample. And while zooming the image, the sharp edges are also visible very good, and it means that the camera is quite good of the Xiaomi Mi A2 as compared to the other Mi smartphones. Now after that, now let's check the selfie camera. Let's click the normal shot. After that we'll click the portrait shot, and let's see how the details are being captured. And as you can see, details are good. Let's zoom on the image and let's see what is. Small hairs are also visible very clearly on my chin. Now let's see the portrait mode, how the background blur is provided and the color, how the color reproduction is given. In the portrait mode also, edges are kept at very sharp, as you can see in the image. I will give you the camera samples after the video. Now let's check the camera after switching off the beauty mode, because I think beauty mode is turned down and yes, it is turned on. Now let's get the camera samples after switching off the beauty mode. And the filters are also provided, very much filters. You can see colors are changing from the camera app by default as of the Xiaomi phones, and in the settings we can see dual camera watermark also is enabled, which shows the Xiaomi MiA2 capturization. Coming to the video recording, 4K video is also supported to record. I will give you the camera samples. Here's the camera sample taken in the 4K, and the focus is not good, as I guess I have to tap to focus. Autofocus is not enabled in 4K, I guess. And the sky color reproduction is also very good, as it is not a sunny day. And let's check the camera stabilization. In the 4K, I think the camera stabilization is not actually good, and the autofocus is also not working. I have to tap to focus. This part of the video is recorded in 1080p. As you can see, this image stabilization is very good, in which electronic image stabilization is enabled in the smartphone, and as you can see, the video is very much stabilized, and the 4K it is very much shaky. Also recorded a slow motion camera sample via its video camera, which is shot in 1080p, which is also quite good. As you can see, the quality of the video is quite good. So that's all for this video. If you did like the video, please hit the like button and do share your thoughts on the comment section below, and do share the video to your friends if you like the video, and also do subscribe to my social networking sites for the latest updates, and also my Instagram handle is given below, in which you will get the latest tech updates if you want it, and also you will get, and also follow the hashtag TechnoGeekChicky on the Instagram for the latest update. And in the next video, I'll do the camera comparison of the MiA2 and the MiA1. So stay tuned for the video and hit the bell icon. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.